me a liar, you know.
Okay, so
Mitchie, you don't tell me that, but me not gonna make nobody threaten to kill my mother. I'm a slung like me a big pussy
yeah,
girl when I have no sense. I'm gonna come say nothing about it. You crazy? Me respect you, Mitchie. Me love you from long time, but me have to come live, come talk about this. Talk, Cassandra.
you want to start off with what he was talking about with you?
No, you talk. Why I'm say about my mother?
Yeah, so he was calling people in Jamaica, saying like he knew where your mom stay, and he finna get people to kill your mom, and he was like he gonna find you, and he gonna put you in the grave. And Nakima, what else he said? That was pretty much it, basically.
Yeah, I want to say you did in a hotel with him, right?
Yeah, last night.
So last night, if the big pussy boy find himself in a hotel with him, what you do in a hotel last night?
So last night he was trying to make us set you up, call you, basically ask.
So we did call her.
Oh yeah, we did call you. When we called you, that's when he was trying to make us set you up.
Yeah, I remember last night, early this morning.
The first time we called her down.
Yeah, I tried to use enough to set me up.
Yeah, that's what happened. And then shout to her after. So I'm gonna show you a video.
You can't show a video on Instagram?
No, like we play it. This was after the situation.
After we leave the hotel, this is when he called me telling me.
Tell me to calm down, cause I'm mad at this. And nobody now come to kill my mother.
Date. Look at the date and the time. Okay, y'all see it?
Hold on, let me show them better.
Turn the camera, Cassandra.
Let me just turn the camera. All right, so this the date, May 9th, 2023, 2:20 a.m. Yeah, 2 in the morning. All right, let's play it. From the hotel.
And that's last night.
25 minutes.
Hey, wait. Come back.
You miss me?
Yes. Stupid ass punk.
I'm a punk. So you not mad at me?
I am mad, but I still miss you.
Why you let me leave if you didn't why you let me leave? Huh?
I didn't want you to know. Because
You know what?
You didn't say you want to stay. I was hoping you'd say that shit.
You was hoping I said I want to stay?
Yeah.
Oh. You should have just told me to stay.
Come back.
You gonna Uber me?
I haven't had an Uber account, but I can send you how much it is for Uber. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, shit. How much is checking it? Tell me.
Okay. All right. So that was
after the time that him sent on to come at the hotel.
Yeah, so when we leave the hotel, because he was playing games.
Yeah, he was being
being too weird, like he want to do something. So we just left. And then
the video, I guess the video didn't go good with him wife, so he was getting upset. So we just left. So that's why she had said, "Oh, but he think you're upset with me."
Okay, Cassandra, tell the people how you and CMR meet and why I'm do to you.
So we met at the club, and then after I sized him up or whatever, I just give him my number, and then the next day he called me. I didn't know who it was, and then I was like, sure, you can pull up. So then he pull up. We start hanging out. vibing, chilling, So like after we like I really get to know him and we cool, like we friends, like we friends. Then that's when he meet my friend. And when he met my friend, and I'm not Jamaican, so I'm not really in the Jamaican media. And I didn't know he had a wife. He didn't tell me that at all. And like any nigga not gonna come to you if they want to talk to you and be like, I'm in a relationship. Well, not every nigga. Every nigga not gonna come to you and be like, I'm in a relationship. They're gonna just come to you like it's nothing. Like they're not gonna mention, oh, they got kids or da unless you get to know them. So when I met my friend, that's when my friend was like trying to really get to know him, and
So
my friend is Jamaican.
Right? You were homeless at the time when he took advantage of you, right?
I got homeless. He made us homeless because me and my friend was living together in an apartment, and he wanted us to move to Orlando into his crib with his wife and his kids. Want us to move in there in another next room and lie and say I'm his brother girlfriend, because he do have a brother that's kind of like that's in my age area. He 20.
I'm not lie, because he was gonna plan to tell his wife that I'm his brother girlfriend that's gonna marry to bring
He's
his
sick
brother
like that, yo.
to the US. So him did
like
the plan for move me in a Chrissy house. He was planning on moving me in Chrissy's house. Continue to talk.
Yes, that's what it is. And I even met Chrissy. I even seen her in person, yo. Like that shit was crazy.
Yeah, me know say you see her in person because me see her in the video. Them the one video.
My best friend, her and Chrissy was cursing. They was cursing each other out. So he left her in the car all night, yo. All night. When he comes to the B&B, we kissing and stuff. All right, but anyways, yes, she's sitting in the car all night outside in the B&B. So then they got into an argument because you left me in a hot car, just sitting here, not doing nothing, and and just mad. She was just mad as fuck. So they left. That night happened. Yeah,
and when last you say promise for flyer out last week Tuesday, right?
Yeah, yes. He would give me. I would drove from all the way from Orlando to Orlando. I drove. He gave me a rental. He do a lot. Like fly me out. If I ask for money, I get it. It was crazy. Like it's just for 2 years too, mind you, for 2 years. For 2 years.
You and him there and him eyed you.
2 years. And when I found out about you, I was like, what? I was like, wow. And when I found out,
the car when promised to help you buy, what happened to that now?
We don't even know, bitch. We don't.
You're not get the money yet.
He give me money, but not for the car. Like I was just spending the money. Just enjoying the money. But now that I really needed the money for the car, this happened. Like I know.
And how long you say you think to expose him now?
Huh?
How long ago you say you been a think to expose him?
When you came out, I was like, I feel like I should expose him. Like I should come out and talk too, because that's wrong. What he's doing is wrong, and I feel like that's sick. Like it really sick to my stomach. Like, are you like? He made it seem like it was just me. Like he not talking to no other girl but me, and just make me happy. He gonna make me happy. Just me talking.
Are you sure to God say email did the hotel with last night?
If I'm sure I'm with him in the hotel last night.
Sure, yeah.
Yes, I'm sure. You don't hear the recording?
Stop waiting.
He calling me back to the hotel. He said, "Why you leave? I miss you."
Yeah. People who know hear this.
Yeah.
Right. And then in him why I'm telling you in a hotel when no go, him telling you say my plan to kill my mother, right? Talk.
Yep. And he only reason why he didn't come for us yet because he fuck with us. He fuck with me, and then my best friend, I love her, so he gonna fuck with her too. That's
so tell the people them what exactly him say about my mother, because everybody need to hear this,
Basically, he gonna put your mother in the grave. He gonna get someone to kill your mom in Jamaica, and he wanna put you in the grave. Both of y'all. If he can't come get you, he's gonna come for your mom. And if he can't come for your mom, he's gonna come for you. Basically.
Okay, so that's my plan for do.
Yes.
Because him take advantage of me and me make the whole world know the piece of scumbag he is.
He's
the piece of shit
he's very
is.
manipulative. He's very, very fucking manipulative. And I just feel like he was playing with my face. He was taking me for a dummy because he'll tell me one thing and then another thing. Like just with the hotel thing last night, it was one thing in the hotel, and then when I leave the hotel, it's another thing. Oh, I missed you. Come back. Like I'm tired of that. Every single time it's one thing, and then after that it's another thing. And then we even have more voice note too, but we're gonna play it. Hold on. But yeah, like I don't know. I just feel like he needs help. I don't know if it's just he doing it for fun, what it is, but he need help. Hold on. But yeah, he even is like, oh babes, same thing. Oh babes, it's a prank. It was just a one-time thing that I done. Same thing.
I really have to take a deep breath because Jano. So after you take advantage of me, I'ma come out, the whole world know what you do to me. Because I'm vulnerable, you take advantage of me because I'm homeless. And you take advantage of this little girl right here, so. Me about 1 year older than you, you know. You take advantage of me and you take advantage of you too. And because I come talk about it, now you have plan to kill my mother. You not have family, you not have kids. I say you walk around and fuck everybody raw. Remember say you fuck you raw, right?
Yeah.
You no use no condom. See from me and him let me not do no check up. Me need to go check up myself because I don't trust that nigga, yeah. Because
I got more
look
stuff
like
to say, but
something I've spread. Make him a girl and I fuck everybody, so. And I not just the two of we. Him have one next girl, one brown girl, as she him spend Christmas with. As she the wife, see, cause I never meet the wife, see. So him spend Christmas night with one brown girl when I'm over Orlando. So I know you wanna never meet. You see talk.
And like I have more stuff I want to say, but I'm gonna make a YouTube video with all the receipts with everything. And I'm
Mitchie, I know say you text me last night. I apologize for this. I know say you love and care about me. Yeah, my friend from a long time, even though we have ups and downs. I'm sorry, so I did have to come back out with this. But the boy threatened to kill my mother, Mitchie. The boy threatened to kill my mother.
what we gotta do? I'm in it. I see it. Shame.
I don't even know, man. Like, shit. What Shani wants? I tell her I'm a murderer.
Yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna show you more on YouTube for sure. But yeah.
So the whole thing you just play a while ago. I hear when him said that girl they want me murder.
That was not the hotel. That was another when I was coming down over there.
The whole thing you play a while ago, just play the whole thing, yeah, man.
When I just played, that's when he was coming down from Orlando to come see me.
Play it again, make the people in ear.
Alright, play it again, Kima. When he find out, when everything start coming out, he comes straight down here, like fast, yo, straight. Play it. I'm in it. I see it, Kishin.
Me know Kushain voice, you know. Pull it up back from the top.
I'm in it. I see it, Kishin.
I don't even know, man. Like, shit. What Shani wants? I tell her I'm a murderer.
Kushain, remember say you been tell me say you go kill me, you know. Before me expose you because me don't afraid I'm a big bad and brave like that. Me don't fear you. Me don't fear nobody for you. That's why me come chat because you threaten my life. That is the only reason why I'm expose you because you threaten to kill me. I know you are threatening to kill my mother. All right then. No worry yourself. No worry yourself.
People
I
keep
feel
saying
vibes.
that's not that's
I
him.
am. I
That's
feel
him.
vibes.
Y'all
I
know his
am.
voice.
I am. Me hear him
Talking about
vibes.
that's
I
yeah,
know.
like that's him.
Remember, so I come on my TikTok and make the whole world know say anything to my mother or nobody for me. I him do it. I see him come confirm it. Say my
No, you
plan
have
to
it on
do
your
what I do.
phone.
Me hear him voice a while ago. Him same one.
Him.
That's him exactly. Like I know
And him
y'all know his.
and him find time to go hotel with you last night. I know you plan to kill my mother for what good reason? What my mother ever do? My mother innocent, me innocent, but because you're wicked, you want wicked piece of boy, you take advantage of me. If you don't ever see the video I make him meet me in the first place, my post one video say I want to kill myself, me tired. And the boy see the video and take advantage of me on
Oh yeah,
top of
so the
what me
way
I
he
go
and
through.
Shani, you know the way he said he meet you too? He said he just took you out and he see that you was crying on the internet, so you wanted to kill yourself and you needed help and you was homeless and stuff like that. So he said he got you a hotel, he helped you out and you just suck him up and he nut on your face and what else? And then you forced him to fuck you.
Me force him to fuck
He said
me.
that last night.
He said that last night, yo. You forced him to
Him
fuck
tell
you.
you say me force him to fuck me. Oh, me first of all, me no force me no like man like that. Fear push up myself on man. You understand? Him push himself on me. Him lucky so me never come tell the people them say rape me and go report him.
Boy.
Him push up himself on me. Him push up himself on me.
Somebody said,
And if
son,
he go
none of you will get no money.
and the bank card, he gave me his bank card. Him give me the bank card.
Oh yeah,
full
he
of
gave me his
money.
bank card too. He said you stole his bank card.
That's a lie.
Yeah. But I didn't believe that because he gave me bank card. He always give me his bank card too. When I was leaving Orlando to drive back home, he gave me his bank card. Just for like and just in case and everything. So I believe that. I know he gave you his bank card.
You know the reason why me I go get corrupt now because him involve my mother in it. You know so yesterday Mitchie text me and me a reason with Mitchie and me say, you know so me will focus for myself and move on. And this today now you call me and I tell me say this boy trying to kill my mother. You crazy? You're crazy. All right now, me and your enemy. CMR, me and your enemy right now. Me and you are enemy right now for what you say about my mother.
Shani, so he gave you the card. You stole he gave you the card and put money on it, or you took it.
He put money on the card. He make sure some money upon the card so I can take my Uber and buy anything I want to eat and them something there.
That's crazy because he said you stole it.
All is out.
He said that last night.
The boy that one lied. I threw me up on the phone with the voice note and sitting the pan. You see phone on me the live pan now. I have some screen record when him a diss up him wife, how much I him carry my wife over here and she a move like some waste girl. And me I gonna make her hear them voice note.
Yes, he said, you know, bro, let me tell you, he was saying like he don't have a happy home. Basically, like he want me to come near him so he can be happy and build a family. He want to get me pregnant. He want to nut in me. He want a son. And I was pregnant. I was saving this for YouTube, but let me just take it out. I was pregnant and I took a plan B and the baby got stuck and I had lost the baby. I lost my fallopian tube. And I even have videos. I got receipts to show that this is really happening, yo.
Oh God.
And he was so mad because I took the plan B and I made the baby stop in my fallopian tube. So yes, guys, yes. I was pregnant.
So him did one breed me too.
Yeah.
Him did one breed me too.
You did tell me I remember
But
you
him wants son. So I said to him, say, oh, you want breed girl out the road, you have your wife. He said, I don't really care. And I said, suppose your wife left him. He said, who really cares? And all of them. So him don't like his wife. Him hate her to the core.
But when I get up, I'm gonna show all the proof.
But him wants son.
That
And I
nigga
come
said.
tell me, bro, make sure to if him breed me, if he keep my mouth.
That nigga
Like,
said he
I
he
can't
want a
even know.
family.
Just my mother dey on my mind right now. And what I'm saying about my mother, me I go export. Me never come all out with everything, you know. Me come and pretty it up for the dirty boy, you know. Me come and lie for myself. Me come and take myself for idiot and tell people how I prank. Me have the recording when the boy call me, I tell me how much him want me go live and tell the people them. Me have them, but me just never post them. But me still have them. Because me I try to nice up with this boy. And me I try to protect him. He might come this me and I talk about my mother. Remember, you know, my mother tell me say, two somebody come down her house day before yesterday and me said to my mother say, don't laugh up with nobody. Be like me. Me not like people. That's why I'm paranoid. A chronic law me listen to. A chronic law of my artist. I'm not trust nobody. Me fully dark. Me not trust nobody. Me fully dark. I wish my mother could have still like me too.
Shani, he met your mom? Like he know her?
Him send somebody down at my mother yard to program my mother. But you see, because my mother not understand them something there, my mother tell me say, somebody come to her house. But the boy, me know the boy. One of the boy, them a Claremont him come from. Claremont.
Thank you.
So me know say a program them a program my mother. And me know say that boy did that plan to do something.
That's
And that
wow.
is why I know where my mother live, because him have some informer that care about news to him. And I know who you be. And Kyle, you see anyhow, you send nobody if you go do my mother nothing, you will see the madness in me. Kyle, I know say you go to my mother house. I'm your call your name. Kyle, leave my mother alone. Leave me alone. A Wally British man me a thought now. Kyle, leave me alone. Come off of my name. Leave my mother alone. Leave my family alone. Why you run program for my mother for Kyle? Why you run program for my mother for Kyle? Me don't call your name, but you see how me cross right now. Una come plan to kill my mother. Kyle.
And Shani.
Really? Kyle, you know me from basic school. You that really make people pay you to plan and kill my mother, Kyle? You evil. Me know say you come, my mother tell me say you come our house, so you go our house with one strange man.
Let me
say
set
to my mother, say, me don't trust you. Me never trust you. Me never like you. Kyle, any of my mother do not, any of not under my mother, me know where you come from. Because you go my mother house go program my mother.
Yeah. And you know what's crazy? He met my mom too. Now you're making me scared because he know where I live. He know my mom. He took my mom out sometime. So
whoa, no, I don't want my mother blood clad house. Whoa, no, I don't want my mother pussy clad house, dirty boy. Me never like no. Me never fucking see no. Are you use me and you want come send people for program my mother dirty boy?
Yo. And Shani, you know he was like, oh, you fuck Dexter Dab, you fuck TJ.
Don't call Dexter Dab. Mitchie, Gatsiano, me happy say Mitchie dep on the live. Mitchie, real pressure Mitchie. You dep on the live. Me and Dexter Dabs ever fuck Mitchie? Mitchie, member
that's
say
what he said though.
Mitchie, me never want to get you involved. Mitchie, member say you meet Dexter Dabs in a real life. Member say you give me Dexter Dabs them link, Mitchie. Dexter Dabs never fuck me yet.
Cause in that try,
Dexter
say
Dabs never fuck me yet. And Mitchie make me meet Dexter Dabs. Mitchie make me meet Dexter Debs in New York. And New York, Dexter. But how Dexter Debs name reaching at this, bro? Oh, why Dexter Debs name reaching at this in the first place? Why that boy a scandal me?